Hello everyone and welcome to my new series Grow to be Proficient in Python, and in this series will be me trying to solve some challenges on HackerRank in order to update the top level badge which will make me proficient in Python. So this is the first challenge, which is say hello world with Python, and this is the description of the challenge. It's just print hello world, and in C, if you watch my series there, it's more enlightful. It has some description for the objective and stuff, I guess, because it's a simple hello world. It's just that. So let's bring the hello world. This is the main. This is how you write main in Python. And here I think we need to just say hello world. So here, run the code.
A few moments later.
Or my internet sucks. Yep. Félicitations. Voila. We have our code here, our hello world here, and we are ready to submit our code.
One eternity later.
So that was the challenge. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, I hope you hit the like button because it will help me so much. See you in the next one.